Hello guys, welcome to our vlog. Ako po ay isang electrical engineer sa Pilipinas at registered master electrician. Nandito po ako ngayon sa United Kingdom as an OFW and I'm still practicing my electrical profession. Ngayon, nakita nyo sa photo, yan po ay 4 pumps, 3 phase, 10 horsepower, 440 volts, 60 Hz. So, gagawa natin ng automatic control yan at saka manual. Ito yung hard-on automatic. Then, nagsusupply po siya sa 3-story building at saka from cistern tank to make-up tank, which is ang make-up tank natin is nandun sa roof deck. So, tara guys, i-share ko to. Tara, let's go! So, mag-start tayo mag-assemble ng control. So, ngayon, i-prepare natin yung mga materials need natin. So, gumamit tayo ng 4 na magnetic contactors, which is the coil voltage is 240 volts, 60 Hz. Then, gumamit tayo ng transformer. It is a step-down transformer which is from 440 volts to 240 volts. Kasi yung supply na kukunan natin dito is 440 volts. Then, gumamit din tayo ng dalawang floatless relay, which is the floatless relay sa basement natin, which is to control pump na kapag below the working level niya, magte-trip off po siya, hindi siya gagana. Tapos yung isang floatless relay is yung gagamitin natin doon sa roof deck, which is from make-up tank. Kapag mapuno siya, mag-open siya to stop the motor. And also, we use voltage protection sa under and over voltage protection niya para just in case is there's a voltage fluctuation, so safe pa rin yung motor natin. So, naka-set ito based on National Electrical Standard or PEC natin dyan sa Pilipinas. Then, also, we use phase protection, voltage phase protection or phase sequence relay. Yung purpose niya po nito is just in case mabaliktad yung supply side niya, so magte-trip po siya para maprotektahan yung motors natin. Then gumamit din tayo ng fuse para po sa control circuit natin na protection. At saka main breaker for power circuit. Sa mga nagtanong po, no, bakit isa lang yung breaker? So, yung pump tatakbo lang po is 1 at a time. So, palitan lang po. Either kung gusto mo gamitin yung pump 1 or yung pump 2 mo or yung pump 3 mo or yung pump 4 mo. Yan po, kaya isang breaker lang. So, to fast forward guys, so gumagana na po yun yung control na yan. So, makikita natin yung sa control panel niya, light indicators. So, actually, yung sa baba na side, which is green, actually, kulay dilaw yan. That is for trip. So, naubusan lang kami ng kulay dilaw niyan. So, actually, din nakita nyo yung selector switches na yan. Yan yung ang pinaka-top, which is auto, off, and manual. The next one is pump 1 and 2, off, and pump 3 and 4. Yung pangatlo, nasa selector switch is pump 1, off, and pump 2. Yung pang-apat naman, yung bottom switch is pump 3, off, and pump 4. So, yun po yung design natin dyan. Yung ginamit natin na selector switch dito is at 3-position switch. Yan lang po guys. Thank you for watching.